Mr. Deamarai,
You good?
not the performance the team would want tonight, but definitely walk away with a point.
Yeah.
More important is to still take a point from a game like this.
Yeah, 1 point is better than no points. Bit disappointed, if I'm being honest. I think we should have performed better. I think as a team we know where we went wrong. Even before the game, when we analysed Haiti, we knew they were dangerous on the counter-attack and we allowed them to score 2 goals on the counter-attack. But yeah, it's about staying in the game. We did that. We got the 1 goal back and we kept going into the end. So, like I said, it's better to take 1 point than no points.
What was the feeling like throughout the game when you realised that the fans were still on supporting you guys despite losing the 2 goals down? What was that feeling?
Yeah, it's a good feeling. Obviously, it's important. You know, the fans give us a boost, and when they want to get behind us, it helps the team. And I think you can see today, you know, when you go 2 goals down, it's difficult sometimes to come back. But I think us as players on the pitch, the players on the bench as well, and the fans, we all stuck together, and it paid off.
The penalty, a big shout from the crowd. I am 100% sure that 3/4 person in the stands would have known what happened, but they were with the team shouting, getting that penalty. Do you think that the fans played a huge impact on the team coming back and also getting that specific penalty?
Yeah, the fans, like I said, if they're onside, they're always going to help us and give us a boost. But you know, I want to give credit to the boys on the pitch. Like I said, it's difficult being 2 goals down to a team, you know, that make it difficult like that. But we all stuck together, and like I said, we got the point in the end. Not what we wanted. We want to come and win these games, especially at home. But yeah, we'll take the point.
A fight back like this, does it get the team bond a bit closer now?
Yeah, we have to sit together. It's not always going to be easy. Like I said, we know we're a good strong team, and teams will fear us. But this is football. Sometimes you end up behind, and it's about having that character and sticking together, and we've shown that we have that character today.
At halftime, going in 2-0 down, I'm pretty sure we didn't expect that, you know, as a team or as a fan base. What was the conversation between the players going in at halftime?
There's no negativity, you know. You can't take back time, so the situation is what it is, and it's down to us to change it and try and fix the situation. And we went out with a better mentality. I think we was on the front foot more. And yeah, I think you know, I think we could have won the game, to be honest. The keeper made a big save, and we had a few other chances. But yeah, half time we just said we need to stick together and be positive and keep pushing, and we got the 2 goals.
We saw you come off. You know, we're used to you playing 90 minutes for Jamaica. What happened? Is there some lingering injury?
Slight pain, but nothing serious. But for me, these 2 games have been my first 2 games of the season, so I'm kind of getting back into my motion and rhythm. So my body was feeling it a bit after the first game, and I did what I can do to make sure I was as fresh as possible for this game. And you know, I had an impact on the first goal, which I was happy with, and you know, to play as long as I did, I was happy with, to be honest. But we've got a strong team and lots of attackers, so whether it's me, Whisper, Leon, whoever comes off the bench, you know, we've got to make a difference, and Romario did that, won the penalty. So it shows, you know, we've got good depth in the team.
Right, finally, we see that you're really including yourself in the culture of Jamaica. We see you kiss the badge last game, and this is the second competition with us. How do you feel about Jamaica?
Yeah, proud. I'm just proud to represent the country, and it's first time back here playing in front of the fans on home turf. So it's been good. Would have been better if we won today, but like I said, the whole experience has been good being back here, and like I said, just representing the country. It's a proud thing for me to do, and like I said, we've got a long future ahead.
How can you keep this going? Almost every match you have been producing, and tell me how the 2 games have helped you with your conditioning going into Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, the 2 games have been important for me. It's kind of like pre-season in a way, but it's been good. It's been difficult with the heat and stuff, and you know, the pitch is difficult to play on. But yeah, it's been good for me, and you know, my goal is to try and keep up the form for as long as possible. You know, try and produce as much as I can. Might not happen every game, which is normal, but it's just down to me to try and help the team as much as possible.
Final question, Deamarai. Arsenal fans will be glad that you left Everton.